Decided to make a real quick video on how to pull the rear shocks on a 2013 Ford Focus. For some reason, nobody covers the 2013 and newer. Everything is like 2012, and it is different. If you're anything like me, you went through some of the YouTube how-to videos, and I ended up pulling out this rear panel, thinking that that's how you access the fastener up on top of the shock. And when you do that, you're gonna find this. And looking at that, there is no way in hell you're going to get that nut off while holding the top stem of the shock from rotating. So it's like, what the heck? Turns out you take these shocks out entirely from the bottom, and I've gone ahead and done that already on one side. So here's the shock, and it goes up in the car, up in there like that. And there's two bolts on either side. It's kind of a big bolt with a small head, and you use a number 10 millimeter to take those off. Actually, it was pretty easy on this side. And on the bottom, it's a big 15 millimeter socket is what you're going to need, and it's like the longest damn bolt you've ever seen. You take that off, and then the shock drops off. And once the shock's off, you can follow some of the other how-to videos. You take this nut off, and you can put the dust shield on the new shock. So anyways, hope that helps.